Hey everyone! Welcome to Infomercialist, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, I'm sharing a powerful juice recipe that can help beat chronic fatigue. We'll be using two superstar ingredients, beetroots and strawberries. Let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our energizing beetroot and strawberry juice. Beetroots are packed with nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, reducing fatigue. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, boosting your immune system and energy levels. Together, they make a powerful fatigue-fighting combo. First, wash the beetroots and strawberries thoroughly, then peel the beetroots and chop them into small pieces. Next, add the beetroot pieces, strawberries, and half a cup of water into your juicer. Blend until smooth. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy this refreshing, energizing drink. Drink this juice in the morning for a natural energy boost. For best results, combine this juice with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are also crucial for beating chronic fatigue. Remember, consistency is key. There you have it. A simple, healthy juice recipe to help you fight chronic fatigue and boost your energy levels. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below with any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to Infomercialist for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching.